venite voi in Italia.
Ah, mille grazie a lei.
La bellezza di essere a Chicago. I don't know how to demonstrate the joy. I would like to blow in your face. Happiness. The wind of the key, of the, how do you say? Anyway, I warn you, maybe there is somebody now thinking,